Hello friends, Vidura here. I will make the correction of the parametric pendulum demonstration. In the first part there was a mistake. It should have been like this with a fixed altitude of the pendulum and moving only the point where the turning point of it to change the frequency, the acceleration. So we will see what happens now. You can see it works also. So there is no confusion with the other parameter by changing the altitude of the pendulum. I will redo the second part of the video also, so I can replace the former video with the mistake. And now by periodically changing the altitude, we will alter the effect of gravity towards to the right of the pendulum, which adds energy to the system without changing the total altitude or the potential energy of the system. The effect seems to be more powerful than the previous with the change of the length of the pendulum. Okay. Thanks for watching.